Imagine a world where your journey to renewed physical strength, the kind that truly matters for daily independence, doesn't require sweat, strain, or hours logged in a bustling gym. What if the most powerful tool for rebuilding your mobility, the capacity to stand tall, walk confidently, and climb stairs without hesitation, began to work precisely when you are at your most rested, quietly, while you sleep? This is not a fantasy. It is the core principle of strategic nighttime nutrition. The entire routine boils down to one simple, yet profoundly effective action. One specific spoonful, taken just before you close your eyes. This is not magic. It is not a fleeting health fad. It is a science-backed, biologically sound routine designed to intercept the accelerated muscle loss associated with aging. It is a solution tailored specifically for seniors who feel the physical evidence that their strength is subtly but persistently slipping away, a threat to their independence and quality of life. As a biological certainty, aging involves the natural process of sarcopenia, the progressive and general loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength. It starts slowly, but once we pass the age of 60, this process often accelerates into a crisis. The once effortless actions of daily life become genuine challenges. It becomes noticeably harder to push yourself out of a deep chair. The simple act of carrying a bag of groceries feels like heavy labor. The fear of navigating uneven sidewalks or slippery stairs begins to restrict your life. The critical piece of knowledge is this. This decline in strength is not an irreversible, terminal sentence. The secret lies in understanding the body's repair schedule. The popular belief is that muscle is built during exercise. This is only half the truth. The actual construction work, the synthesis, repair, and strengthening of muscle fibers occurs overwhelmingly during the deep sleep cycle. When you enter those restorative hours, your body begins its essential repair work. For this complex operation to succeed, the body requires an ample and continuous supply of amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks of protein and muscle. The night represents the longest period of fasting your body experiences. Without adequate fuel available throughout this prolonged 6 to 8 hour repair window, the body may switch into a catabolic state. It starts to break down existing muscle tissue, especially in the energy-demanding core and leg muscles, to fuel the repair. This nocturnal muscle breakdown actively accelerates sarcopenia. The power of just one spoon before bed is that it strategically interrupts this catabolic process. By providing a source of nutrition that is engineered for slow, sustained release, you ensure a steady, reliable drip feed of amino acids into the bloodstream throughout the entire night. This strategic spoonful can take two powerful forms: a slow-release protein source, such as a scoop of casein, which forms a soft, digestible clot in the stomach, or a natural traditional blend, a comforting glass of warm milk combined with key additions like turmeric and cinnamon and chia seeds. Turmeric, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, helps soothe the muscles. Cinnamon and chia seeds, rich in fiber, naturally slow the overall digestive transit time, ensuring that the protein and nutrients are absorbed slowly over many hours. There are no chemicals, no complicated procedures, and no harsh pills, just a comforting routine that leverages your body's natural desire to repair itself. As this slow-digesting nutrient blend works its way through your system, your muscles, particularly those large foundational muscles in your lower body, receive a steady stream of ammunition needed to prevent breakdown and encourage synthesis. The relentless focus of this routine is on the legs, because they are the absolute cornerstone of your freedom and quality of life. Your legs are complex structures that bear the entirety of your weight, execute the crucial movements required for balance recovery, and provide the power necessary to perform the most important activities of daily living. Weak legs mean a loss of freedom, plain and simple. In contrast, strong legs give you the power to move with confidence, to stand up without the aid of a handrail, and to engage in life on your own terms. They are the first line of defense against falls and the primary determinant of whether you can live independently or require assistance. Imagine building this simple habit: one relaxing drink, one strategically timed spoon, every night before bed. You fall asleep knowing that while your mind rests peacefully, your body is engaged in a powerful, restorative building project. It is working for you. Within just a few weeks of consistent adherence, the results begin to manifest in tangible ways. Getting up from the sofa feels less laborious. The first few steps in the morning feel less stiff. You find yourself walking a little taller, with a greater sense of equilibrium and stability. This is not a miracle. It is the physiological reality of providing your body with the continuous, high-quality fuel it needs to perform its natural, nightly duty of muscle repair. You do not need to embark on a strenuous fitness regimen. You simply need to heed the subtle request your body has been making for years. Sustain nutritional support during the critical hours of darkness. 1 spoon. Every night. Your journey back to strength and independence starts tonight while you sleep.